Hello friends, welcome back to my platform Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Today it is a very important session for that developer. They are really want to learn Salesforce development step by step. So friends, if you are a complete beginner or if you don't know coding in Salesforce development, if you are confused where to start learning Salesforce development, then this video is especially for you. Friends, today we will understand about how to learn Salesforce development from scratch in very simple and easy language step by step. So friends, first of all, let me ask a question from you. Why most of the developers stuck in technical challenge during the development? Friends, do you know one powerful truth about the Salesforce developer? Most of the developers are getting fear, they are afraid when they are stuck in the development. Friends, most of developers that are working in the initial, they are beginner, they always pray from God, please no bug, please no issue. They always pray from God, please not give me bug, please not give me issue. But smart developer think differently. Give me the issue, I want to learn. So friends, let me tell you something honestly. Your salary does not increase because you completed your task. Your salary increase because you resolve the problem. And technical challenges and nothing but hidden the opportunity. If you are afraid about the challenges, not focus on the resolving the issue, your salary will never increase. So friends, always ready to face the technical challenges, and technical challenges are nothing but it is also a hidden opportunity. Now let me tell you why most developers fear technical challenge. Now let me understand one by one. Why do most Salesforce developers panic when they're facing the issue? Because whenever they got production bug, whenever they deploying the code and the production bug happen, sometime they got a trigger is not working, sometime flow and apex triggers are conflicted each other and they get issue. Sometime developer got issue about the governor limit error. So that time they are confused, they are panic, they are nervous because they don't have technical experience. Because friends, they nervous because they always focus on the supporting work. They don't have the technical experience. They only practice simple example. They never work on the bulk data. They never work on the bulk data, and they don't understand order of execution. The copy paste code from Google. They only go to the ChatGPT, go to the Google and simply copy and paste. So that if they don't have good hands-on experience in Salesforce development, they don't know how to debug the code, that time they get panic, and when they got real scenario comes, then confidence level will break. But remember friends, you cannot grow in comfort zone. If you always afraid about the error, not focusing on the technical challenge, you cannot grow. You cannot grow in the comfort zone. So break the comfort zone and ready to take challenge new, learn something new, then you will be grow. Friends, now let me share a real project example. In one of company, opportunity records were updating, account total revenue. Everything was working fine in sandbox, but in production, when 200 opportunity were updated using data loader, system starting throwing too many SQL query 101. Client was angry, project manager was asking question, most developers were silent. But one developer checked, sir, trigger was not bulkified. SQL query written inside the loop, no proper handler crashes. He restricted the code and moved logic outside loop, use map ID and account, follow best practice and tested with 200 plus record as well. Issue has been resolved. That developer gained something more valuable than appreciation. He gained trusted, and trust create promotion. So friends, don't afraid to take new challenges. So friends, the moral of this story is you can relate from yourself. You also sometime facing same situation in your company, in your project. So friends, always ready to take new challenges. Challenges give you a smarter. Don't fear the take challenges. Don't fear the take new opportunity. Now let me tell you exact issue for the beginners level. Beginners always facing the challenges because they don't have good hands-on experience in Salesforce development. They always focus on the support work, not supporting in the hands-on experience in Salesforce. If you really want to learn Salesforce development, first of all, you need understand limit deeply. First of all, you need to understand the coding part. You have to keep practice every day. If you understand deeply, then you will become powerful developer. Friends, anyone can write the code, but not everyone can debug production issue. Debugging builds real confidence. If you focusing on the supporting work, if you focusing on the written the code, but not focusing on the debugging, how to identify the debug, how to make debug, then you will never become a good Salesforce developer. Focus on debug because you will be get from debug real confidence. Instead of the writing quick code, you start thinking scalable solution, and company pay high salary for scalable thinking. Friends, always remember, not focusing always writing the code, thinking about the solution and production, and company always pay for the solution of the production. They always ready to pay high salary for scalable thinking. Thinking high, always focus on debug, take new responsibility to new challenges. Don't fear. So if you are beginner, don't run away from complex options like bulkification, integration, asynchronous apex class, platform event, trigger and flow conflict. These are the issues normally coming during the development. So don't run away when you are writing a complex logic in development. Similarly, like bulkification code, integration code, asynchronous apex class, platform event, trigger and flow conflict. These are not scary. These are salary booster. If you resolving these of the issue, these are the salary booster. So friends, if you really want to learn Salesforce development, hands-on experience step by step, in my course Inside Tech W3 Wave, I teach real office-like scenarios. Not only hello world, not only a simple example. I covering hands-on experience that you working in office. So many technical scenario that is live demo project working in office. How to write killer trigger, how to manage error, how to structure project properly. Because friends, interview panel does not ask what in Apex. They ask how did you handle bulk data your project. So friends, always ready to learn something new. Don't focus on easy task. Focus always complex task. Focus always hands-on scenario, not a theoretically, not only definition. So always stop saying, I hope no issue comes. Start saying, I am ready to solve, because challenges build your skills and skills build your confidence and confidence build your salary. So friends, remember always one line, challenges build your skills, skills build your confidence and confidence build your salary. So don't forget to take a new challenges in your career. So friends, if you are truly want to career growth, if you want to salary hike, if you want to confidently say in interview, yes, I handle production issue, then you must learn real sales for development, not only theory. Inside my digital platform, Tech W3 Wave, I teach practical live project scenario step by step. This course is designed for beginners, working professionals, developers preparing for interview, developer targeting salary hike. So, if you really want to learn Salesforce development, click on Get Course Access now. Use the available discount coupon and enroll by today. Don't wait for opportunity. Build yourself into the opportunity. So friends, let's transform your career together. Don't wait, don't delay. Click on Get Course Access now. Use the available discount coupon and enroll today. Don't wait, don't delay. Build yourself into the opportunity and let's transform career together. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for loving. Thank you for trust. Thank you so much.